Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify automatic discounts for cart incentives, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Shopify automatic discounts for cart incentives, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the discounts section in your admin dashboard. Click on the Create Discount button to start the process. In the discount type options, select Automatic Discount. Fill in the discount title for your record keeping. Next, set the discount type to either percentage or specify the exact value of the discount you wish to offer. Scroll down to the minimum requirements section to set eligibility criteria for the discount. You can choose to require a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity of items in the cart. After setting the requirements, locate the Customer Eligibility section. Decide whether the discount applies to all customers or specific groups. If you select specific groups, ensure you choose the appropriate customer segments. Next, proceed to the Active Dates section. Set the start date and end date for your automatic discount promotion. This allows you to control when the discount is available to customers. Once all the fields are filled out, review your settings for accuracy. Finally, click the Save Discount button to activate your automatic discount. Your customers will now see the discount applied automatically at checkout when they meet the criteria you've set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.